Andito ulit ang programang Power to Unite with Elvira dito po sa Popeyes the 12 Catholic Center kung saan ginanap ang second Anak TV Video Festival Workshop for Children. No? Bago itong i-interviewin natin another group, mga teenager na po ito, yung Bernardo Ponciano Elementary School. At doon natin nakita, kahanga-hanga itong mga bata with the age of 9 to 10 years old. They were able to express their feeling, their encounter, their experience. So may pag-asa po ang ating bayan if ganitong bata sa umpisa pa lang pinapakita na nila, they understand what is going on, they are not scared to speak up and they really speak the truth, no, based on their personal encounter. Ngayon naman po, they arrived early in the morning here coming from Zamboanga del Norte Public School, no. It must be your first time, di ba? So ano kaya yung kanilang madadatnan, yung kanilang personal encounter experience, siya po ang tabayan nyo dahil isa-isahin po natin sila tatanungin kung ano bang natutuhan nila dito sa video workshop coming all the way from Dipolog City, di ba? Makikilala nyo sino-sino sila sa pagbabalik po ng Power to Unite with Elvira. Because they are young, we tend to dismiss their thoughts. We take their ideas for granted, lapping off their dreams as mere child's play. Most of the time, we overlook their potential to make a difference as we drown out their voices with grown-up noise and insist that they follow the grown-up way. Power to Unite with Elvira strongly believes that the children are the hope for humanity's future, and as adults, we have the very important task to guide them towards what is right and what is good. That is why we support Anak TV's endeavor to harness the talent and skill of our younger generation in using their gadget through the Cinebata Video Workshop this year with the theme Hear My Voice. The workshop had become great venues for children, not only to develop their potential in video storytelling, but they also get to enjoy meaningful encounters as they mingle and share ideas with their peers, despite having different backgrounds. The workshop will also give them a chance to be exposed on an international stage and participate in the 6th Southeast Asia Video Festival for Children to be held in Indonesia in 2027. They may be young and innocent, but if we stop for a while and listen, we will discover that their simple words hold deeper meanings of love and kindness, friendship and unity, compassion and harmony. We must not try to silence tomorrow. While it is still learning to speak today, the best way to encourage dreams that are still learning how to bloom is for us to pause our adult rush and noise and listen when they say, "Hear my voice." Nakikita ko medyo ang edad ninyo ikumpara dun sa naunang interview, napaka malayo, ate, kuya na kayo, di ba? And coming from Mindanao, this must be a certain kind of experience for all of you, di ba? At nakikita natin, syempre ilan oras ang biyahe nyo from the airport to yung flight, Zamboanga, Dipolog hanggang Manila, ilan oras ang flight nyo?
1 hour po.
1 hour. So, hindi kayo napagod. Kasi I was informed, very energetic. Ay parang, siyempre, magigising kayo maaga. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock to go to the airport. Pero may nakikitang energy sa inyo. Ngayon, I want the Filipino viewers to know who you are, why you are chosen. So, please let us know. Introduce yourself, your name, age, anong grade kayo, at from what school, okay?
Hello po. Ang pangalan ko po ay si Romeo L. Andilab Jr. at 16 years old po ako galing sa school ng Zamboanga del Norte National High School. Ako ay grade 10 po sa junior high sa school po na.
Hello, I am Zakisha Blumbinoli. I am a student from Zamboanga del Norte National High School. I am 13 years old and I am grade 8 from Section Libra, a junior from Zamboanga del Norte.
Good afternoon po. I am Joycel Arliana, 15 years old from Zamboanga del Norte National High School and I am a grade 9 student po.
Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Joshua Armesulyar and I am 16 years old, grade 11 from Zamboanga del Norte National High School po.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jenna May Tubio, a grade 10 student from Zamboanga del Norte National High School, and I'm currently 15 years old.
So based dito sa age grade, merong 13, tama? 14, 15, no? Walang 16, tama? So ibig sabihin, hindi kayo magkakakilala. Tama? When you arrive here, nasa airport, hindi pa kayo magkakakilala, tama?
We know each other na po since we're schoolmates po, but we're not really close with one another po.
Kasi iba-ibang grade nyo eh. I heard may grade 10, may 11, may 9, di ba? So, to put you together, hindi nga kayo mag-classmate, but you mentioned you know each other. Does it help knowing each other to make you as a group better to come up with a good story? Nakatulong ba sa inyo yan?
Yes po, kasi before kami nakapunta dito, marami na po kaming, hindi medyo marami pero may mga competition na po kaming nasalihan and we are part of it po, like Sinimonti po, like sa default.
So, meron na kayo na-join na mga contest na ano,
Yes po.
with different team.
Yes po.
Okay. So, ngayon, paano kayo pinili? Volunteer ba kayo o you were told to come here? Pinili kayo ng teacher nyo o paano ang process of sending you here?
A normal day sa school po, biglang tumawag si Dr. Joselito Tizon po, yung principal po namin. Tapos pinapunta po ako o sila din po sa principal's office kasi may meeting daw.
Okay.
And while yung susulat na po ako ng name ko, tapos yung details, sinabihan po ako na for plane ticket daw. Hindi ko inasahan na like plane ticket baka na-misheard ko lang. And then yung pagkasabi po na may workshop na gaganapin dito sa Manila, nasayahan po ako kasi it's my first time to be here po.
Okay. So, basta sinabi lang mag-attend kayo workshop. How about you, ganon? Paano nyo na, pati kayo nasama dito, kayong dalawa lang ang natawag. Paano kayo na-recruit? Ang dami-dami nyo. Imagine, ilan ang population? I remember when we went there for media literacy, siguro 1,000, no? 1,000 o ang ano. Pero kayo ang napili. There must be something in you that the principal trusted you at hindi niyo naman sila pinahiya, di ba? Kasi you were all very well behaved, no? So, kayong tatlo, paano naman kayo nasama dito? Kinausap kayo ng teacher niyo? How is it?
So my teacher, siya po yung nag-push sa akin na sumali daw po ako sa gantong workshop dahil may nakita po siyang potential sa akin na pwede ko po daw matutunan.
Okay. Ano yung potential na nakita sa iyo?
Baka po sa part where I am sometimes confident po sa pag-acting, pero sometimes din hindi po.
How about you?
It was a normal day po. Sir Tizon was observing, meron kasi nag-demo sa aming classroom. Tapos, when he came out, he suddenly asked my classmates, who in here is interested in editing? And for me, I was like at the back, so I didn't really hear. And then I only knew that I was chosen because my classmates said that, Sir, yung si Bloom po, mahilig siya sa pag-edit at doon ako na chosen po ako.
So, editing ka, yung skill mo sa pag-e-edit. Okay. How about you?
Well,
Jenna.
humbly speaking, Ma'am Go, all these students right here are good role models for our school po. And we are equipped with different capabilities, potential, and competent values. And as for me naman po, I believe that there's really something in me, like such as good leadership. And I think that's something that Dr. Joselito Tizon saw in me po. That's why he chose me as
Yung
one of the
leadership.
Yes po.
Very keen observer ang principal at teacher nyo to trust you to come. So, nung napili na kayo dito, anong unang reaction nyo? Anong unang reaction? Excited? O na-challenge kayo? Ano ba itong mundong pupuntahan namin? Di ba?
Para sa akin po, yung unang reaction ko ay kaba at gulat. Kasi hindi ko in-expect na ipapasama ako sa kanila dito sa Maynila. At hindi ko pala inaasahan din na ba't ako yung pinili. At yung parang normal lang na araw para sa akin is parang wala lang nang ginagawa. Tapos tinawagan lang. Yung pagpasali po sa akin, hindi ko in-expect na meron silang makita sa akin. So yung pag-announce nila na kasama ako, parang kinakabahan ako na parang dududa kung sasama ba ako o hindi o sasagutin ko ba yun. So parang nagdadalawang isip. Pero nung nag-decide na, sige, mas sasama na ako, yun na part is wala na akong pagdududa. So yun yung para sa akin.
What do you think you have na napili ka? Anong masasabi mo? Ano sa tingin mo? Meron ka? Bakit ikaw ang na-recommend?
Para sa akin po, yung dahilan kung ba't ako na-recommend is parang meron silang nakita sa akin na meron akong potential sa sining ng cinematografiya at parang hindi ko inasahan na mayroon pala sa loob ko na nakita nila na hindi ko pa na-discover. So, yun po yung dahilan kung ba't ako pinili.
So, ikaw sa Kisa, so, di ba, mahilig ka sa editing. So, itong feeling mo, nung tinuturuan na kayo mag-edit, na shooting kayo do you feel happy na yung pangarap mo, mas intense ang training, mas marami kang nalalaman, nakatulong ba sa iyo talaga?
Opo. I was 9 years old when I got into editing. I used CapCut, so I was really happy that here I was given this opportunity. So I had to seize it, I had to grab it, because it involved editing, filming, and acting. And that's actually my thing. I love doing that. And yes, I really...
So this encounter really enrich you more, di ba? Napakagaling ng mga bata. Kung ano yung masishare nila sa inyo, siya po, abangan nyo sa pagbabalik ng Power to Unite with Elvira. Ikaw naman, so ano yung nakikita mo?
Sa akin po is, I can see myself naman po. I can act good, but not that really good po. I don't know if baka may more na nakita pang potential sa akin yung teacher ko po.
So what can you prove to them after this experience? Ano yung pag-uwi mo? Ano maisasabi mo na you're very different?
So, sasabihin ko po sa kanila yung mga experience at mga natutunan ko po sa workshop po.
Do you feel more confident that you can achieve something?
Yes po. So,
Kasi pinili kayo according kay Jenna, may potential kayong lahat which the school saw, di ba? So ikaw naman, Joshua.
As a overthinker na person po, ginagamit ko po yung lahat na pwede gamitin because I was also known in our school as a resourceful guy na kung itong bagay na to ay pwedeng gamitin sa film na iyan, gagamitin ko po ito. In short po, thinking outside of the box po.
So, yung para sa iyo, yung dreamer ka rin in some way, di ba?
Yes po.
So, you want to really, sabihin natin, explore all the possibility. And this is one way of testing yourself, the opportunity given to you, how you will explore your talent, your skill, and creativity, di ba? Which nakikita naman natin, no, dun sa film ninyo. So, Jenna, bago tayo pumunta sa story nyo, so, Jenna, you mentioned na all of you were chosen because of your
Yes po.
potential at may leadership, and you feel you are a leaders in your own right. Bakit
Yes.
mo nasabi na very confident ka na it's your leadership that was the reason why you were chosen?
Okay. Well, basically, Ma'am Go, I'm not only a grade 10 student from CNNHS, but I'm also known as the mother majorette of our school band. And with my journey as the school band majorette, it's the journey that shaped me into the leader. It shaped me to grow as the person you see today, po, ma'am. And I'm confident enough to say that I was able to keep the group happy and positive, po. Thank you.
Oh, kasi sino yung napili sa iyo na most valuable sa group ninyo?
Kuya
Si
Joshua po.
Joshua. Ang gusto ko malaman, why choose that at bakit yun ang sinabi niyo? Kindness, true love. Sino ba nag-concept nito? Sino nag-idea niya? Bakit itong gawin natin when ang story natin is to hear my voice?
Yung first title po namin is Hear My Click po. And last minute po nung nandun na si Ma'am Cathy na change po namin kasi marami kaming like plan po and hindi siya na-arrange na into Act 1, Act 2, Act 3. And here comes the shooting po and the struggles there po is reshoot kami. Even last 15 minutes na po, nagre-reshoot pa rin kami kasi kulang. And we know it to the part po na nagkamali kami o nakulangan po o na lack po yung storytelling po namin.
Anong naging role mo dito sa shooting na ito?
Role ko po sa shooting is yung cameraman.
Nagawa mo, kaya nanalo kayo, cinematography. Ibig sabihin, tama yung ginawa mo. May anggulo ka na pinakita, deserving kayo dun sa award. Ikaw,
Ako yung naggawa ng animation po namin. O, siya po.
animation. Okay. Pero, editing ang skill mo eh. Hindi mo nakita how the story goes, hindi mo napansin yon.
Si Kuya Rooms po kasi ang yung nag-edit eh. So,
Ay, ikaw din nag-edit, okay. Aside from ikaw ang cameraman, ikaw din nag-edit.
Ang dahilan kung ba't ako po yung nag-edit na lang is dahil po sa time. At dahil sa pag-iisip ko na, hala, may time pala so dapat bilis-bilisan ko to dahil alam ko na medyo mabibitin ako mamaya. So, yun nag-edit ako at sabi ko na lang, sige, kayo dyan, magtutulungan muna kayo sa animation. Ako na bahala dito sa editing para hindi na kayo mapahirapan. Pero yun, inilaan ko sila sa, si Bloom po sa role na ikaw yung mag-animate para sa ating animated poster at ako na bahala sa editing kahit gaano to kahirap at hindi po ako gaano marunong na mag-edit po. So, yun po yung dahilan.
Ngayon, dito sa experience niyo ngayon, what lesson did you learn by not disappointed? I mean to say, disappointed ba kayo? Hindi kayo nakahakot ng maraming award? Hindi, okay, so we start with Jenna.
Well, as for me po, I'm not disappointed because, you know, being in here, being in this Anak TV workshop po is already an achievement for us and we consider ourselves po as winners po in our own ways.
Yes. Totoo yun. I agree. Winners kayo kasi meron kayong nagawa. Imposible in 1.5 day, meron kayong nagawa. Something na took weeks to months. Diba? Yung pag-concatch lang ng idea is already something kahanga-hanga ka. Ikaw, Joshua.
Hindi naman po disappointed kasi first of all po, nag-enjoy po kami and sadyang nagkulang lang po talaga kami sa komunikasyon po.
Okay. Inamin mo, communication. Ikaw,
For me po, I am kind of disappointed but it doesn't matter na po. What matters the most is that we enjoyed po and we get to experience this.
experience, you enjoy. Ikaw, sa
I could say the same that I am quite disappointed, but not with my group mates. Mostly on myself for not standing up. That, Kuya, I know how to edit, Ana, pero I am very happy and I feel wonderful that I am able to join this opportunity. I was able to go to Manila because it's my first time here, and especially I was able to build friendship with my seniors and be closer to those people that I already know.
I think that's a winning point eh. Yung naging close kayo, nagkaroon kayo ng bagong kaibigan and learn from the mistakes, di ba? So ikaw, Romeo, no?
Para sa akin po, hindi po ako na-disappoint kasi also for me, this is my first time dito sa Maynila at isa itong malaking oportunidad na nakakasali ako nito. At hindi din ako disappointed because meron akong maraming natutunan at maraming ano na gawang friendship at pinapalakas pa naming bond. So at nakikita ko din yung mga pros and cons sa aming sarili. So parang a lesson learned na hindi ko malilimutan po talaga sa pag-join nito.
Napakaganda ng outlook niyo, no, na you accept defeat. You accept na meron kayong pagkukulang, kaya hindi niyo nakuha yung dapat ngayon. At least, what is important, you give the best. No, lahat kayo nagbigay ng effort ninyo. Diba? Siyempre, nothing is perfect. We don't expect 100% para kayo professional. No, estudyante lang kayo. Tapos in 1.5 days ang trainee, actually nga, kung ako yun, di ko magawa. Kaya hangang-hanga ako sa inyo na you were able to come up with an idea, trying to work under pressure, which is nagawa ninyo. So dito nakita natin, di ba, itong group na ito, senior high sa Zamboanga del Norte, ang gaganda ng pananaw nila. Kaya kahanga-hanga, sinabi nila na masaya sila kahit na natalo sila. It's a very kind attitude na kahanga-hanga sa mga generation ngayon. These are the future leader and I think it's good to make a mistake and to learn from it. So, ang tabayan ninyo sa pagbabalik ng power to you, kung ano pang ma-share natin, ano yung mensahe nila, dapat we have to listen to them because they can give us something to remember. Abangan nyo sa pagbabalik ng Power to Unite with Elvira. So at least ngayon, hindi na kayo ninenervyos, no? Di ba, nag-enjoy kayo. Based sa experience, masarap pagkain, di ba? No, nag-banding kayo, kahit natalo kayo, ang ganda ng attitude niyo. Try and try until you succeed, no? So I think, instead of you learning from us, kami sa Maynila should learn from you. Kasi kahanga-hanga sa edad ninyo, you know what is right and wrong, how to accept defeat, di ba? Ngayon, nakikita natin na nagkaroon kayo ng magandang experience being the first time. What do you look forward after this, sabihin natin, workshop? So, start with you, Romeo. Anong ina-expect mo? Ano yung message mo sa when you go back to Zamboanga? Anong isi-share mo sa classmate mo, sa parents mo, sa teacher mo?
Yung isi-share ko po sa mga kaklase, parents at saka teachers ko is yung experience po talaga. Kasi yung wala talagang mapapaiiba sa experience kaysa yung pagmamayabang po. Para sa akin kasi yung experience is mas mahalaga siya kahit gaano ka pa kayaman o kakilala. Basta meron kang parang your view na malinis, yung maganda. At yung i-share ko po is yung mga natutunan na mga mamahalagang mga sinasabi po sa mga mentors galing namin. So, yun po yung i-share ko po.
After attending this workshop, when you go back, ano isi-share mo sa magulang mo? And what lesson did you learn during this workshop?
I would share my journey because it is not an everyday experience that you get invited by Anak TV. It's actually such an opportunity, especially for me. I've always took liking to media arts since I've been watching videos, and I'm actually really happy that even though win or lose, we were able to experience this. I'm actually very thankful for my mentor, si Ma'am Tintin. Really appreciate her for the work, even though we only have one win or one achievement. It is already a win because even though we lacked in communication, and I could say that we deserve that because especially to Kuya Romeo, he really worked hard, and though I was a bit sad for myself that I wasn't able to speak up, I still hope that when I go back, I can improve my editing skills and hopefully I get to have this opportunity again in the future.
So, ano yung masasabi mo? What will be your message, after your experience here? Joyce?
So my message po is whenever you have, you think you have a talent or capabilities, you should show it po and so that it could be enhanced. And my message is I hope that every person could have the they have the confidence to show their talent po.
So, ikaw, Joshua.
Yung learnings po, it is an achievement na po na ma-meet po yung mga professional po na sila Delert Paulo, silang Ma'am Cathy po. Kasi yung nag-talk po kami ni Ma'am Cathy, like, sabi niya nakaka-addict daw yung animation po and I have zero interest po talaga sa animation po. And after her lecture po, na-starstruck ako na gusto ko din ganon, gusto kong gumawa nun. Kaya po nilapitan ko po siya and true po na yung pag-a-animate, kailangan talaga na mahaba yung pasensya mo kasi
Yes.
nakakapagod po, nakakapagod po. But when you see the result po, pag nakita mo po yung result na ginawa mo po is sabi ka na, wow, it's so
Diba?
good.
Hindi mo expected. So, ikaw, Jenna.
Well, the moment I set foot back in Dipolog City, there's a lot of things that I would like to share them po, Ma'am Go. The first thing that I would like to tell them, I would like to share my enjoyable experience, my enjoyable stay here. The moment that we arrived, welcomed by the hospitality of the Anak TV organization, how good the food here are, and most importantly, I want each Filipino children to remember that let us not be passive viewers of social media, but let us be creators of our own stories. Instead of just scrolling through social media, let's pass on stories with real heart and character.
Alam mo, I like the Jenna, no? Create your own story. If you think you have the capability to do that, do that. Instead of listening to those blogger, influencer na they are only after money. So nakikita natin, no? With the young age of 13 to 15, napakagaling po itong mga taga Mindanao na kabataan, no? We have to say thank you to Zamboanga del Norte for giving us the best student. At kayo, you should be very proud. Sa dami ninyo, kayo ang napili. That means to say you have something in you that can contribute to the next generation. Yun lang, it's about na hanapin nyo, ano ba yung magagawa ko? And I think you can make it. With your experience, ma-strengthen yung confidence ninyo. And really, nakita natin kahit sila po hindi nagkahakot ng maraming award, meron naman isa, and they really enjoy yung attitude na learn from their mistake. I think is very important. Kung ganito ang mga next generation natin, I see so much hope in our country. So keep it up at maraming salamat for giving us a chance to know you. Hanggang sa muli, sino po ang susunod natin i-interview during this second video workshop dito sa Popayos Center, Catholic Center? Siya po abangan nyo sa pagbabalik ng Power to Unite with Elvira sa susunod na linggo.
To unite, bless her now with heaven's grace. May her days be crowned with mercy. Till we see you face to face. Power to unite. Today we thank you for the gift her life has spun. Glory be to God the Father, through the Spirit in the Son.